Worn photographs from Texas of a backyard wedding. Smiles for the camera, daisies fill the air. A wanderer from the sea, sailing off with the girl of his dreams. I hardly recognize a younger version of me. Well, back me up. Here's looking at